Clean spaces don't happen by accident. They take knowledge, the right technique, and someone who actually knows what they're doing. Whether you're working in domestic cleaning, managing a team, or thinking seriously about starting your own cleaning business, this course gives you the foundation to do it properly. Across 17 modules, you'll cover everything from house cleaning, commercial kitchen standards, and office cleaning procedures, to chemical safety, waste management, and key holding responsibilities. And if running your own operation is on your radar, the course also walks you through business planning, staff management, marketing, and client satisfaction, so you're prepared for what comes after the work itself. The course is fully online, with audio voiceover built in, developed by qualified professionals, and designed to work around your schedule, on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Support is available anytime you need it. Once you complete the final assessment, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and your hard copy is dispatched the very next working day. A printed certificate by post is also available, with shipping costs applied. If you're enrolling a team, bulk pricing discounts are available. The course is accredited by CPD and endorsed by the Quality License Scheme. Cleaning done right is a skill. This is where you build it.